Okay, so this is the question, August monthly test, KB and Nagar, Chennai. So it is given an electron is projected in the direction perpendicular to magnetic field. How will its motion be affected due to magnetic force? So we know whenever a charge is projected in magnetic field, a force called Lorentz force act on the charge, right? A force called Lorentz force. So Lorentz force is what? This force will be due to the magnetic field. It will be charge times, I am taking the magnitude alone, okay? Charge times V cross B, where V is the velocity vector and B is the magnetic field vector. Okay, so this is how, and okay, let me take the direction as well. So this the your vector. Okay, it will be acting on the positive charge. This force is acting on positive charge. If there is the E is the positive charge, then in that case how the direction will be. See, this is your B, I think you can see it, right? This is your B and this is your velocity. Okay, so it is like this. Suppose it is coming out of the plane, this plane, or you think like this. Here you see this is B and this perpendicular to each other, right? They are perpendicular to each other. So V cross B means we have to go clockwise, right? Like this, clockwise. V cross B. So clockwise, V to B, clockwise, in this manner I am going. So when you go clockwise, it will be perpendicular to this plane. Am I correct? It will be perpendicular like this, perpendicular to this plane. This plane is there, so this will be like this. It will be going inside, right? So V cross B, if you see V cross B, right? Let me draw it in the board. So now you tell me, this is here, this is your B, right? This is the B, this is 90 degree. So V cross B, when I go like this, when I go this manner, this way, so the force will be acting perpendicular to this plane, right? This plane is something like this. I have drawn like this, right? This way. So the force will be going this direction. So this is the force on the positive charge, right? If it is positive charge. Now actually we have the electron, right? So electron means the force will be in this direction, right? This will be the force FB. Actually this, for if it is positive charge, it is acting in this direction. So for negative charge, exactly opposite, right? So this is here, and all these planes will be perpendicular to each other, isn't it? Every vector, this vector will be perpendicular to this vector will be perpendicular to this, so this is also perpendicular. Okay, so now in 11th standard, if you remember, you have done one centripetal force, right? Whenever a circular motion is there, there is centripetal force acting. In that case, what was happening? Suppose this is your velocity, this is your velocity, tangential, then force will act towards the center, right? F. This is called the centripetal force. So whenever the velocity and the force are perpendicular to each other, what happens? The particle move in a circular motion. The particle move in a circular motion, means circular motion will be there. So similarly for this electron also, because electron is, the force is in this direction on the electron, right? So it will have the circular motion. So the electron, how will its motion be affected? The motion, better I will write the reason. Since V is perpendicular to B, to FB, actually force, right? FV, this implies electron will move in a circular path, right? So that is the answer. Hope you have understood it. Okay, thank you.